Every Oreo begins far from the factory, rooted in the fields that feed the world. Millions of cookies start as simple grain, harvested at massive scale. Speed and volume matter when production never stops. Sweetness begins underground, extracted with precision and power. Raw ingredients move fast, even before reaching the factory. Chocolate flavor starts with careful handling and patience. Each sack carries the signature taste consumers recognize instantly. Different origins, one destination. The journey from farm to factory has begun. To meet global demand, supply chains move without pause. Every load is tracked, measured, and protected.
Timing is as critical as the ingredients themselves.
The factory comes into view, ready to receive the flow. Scale defines everything here.
Nothing enters without verification.
Precision begins before production starts. Each ingredient follows its own engineered path.
The transition from transport to transformation is complete. This is where raw ingredients become a global icon.
Every second counts inside a factory of this scale. Controlled flow prevents chaos at high volumes.
Flavor pathways stay separate from the start.
Sweetness is measured to the gram. Inside, the system never sleeps.
Everything moves with engineered purpose.
Cleanliness is non-negotiable.
The transformation begins here. Before precision, impurities must disappear.
Safety begins long before baking. Flavor depends on purity. Machines see what humans cannot. Consistency starts at the molecular level. Balanced supply keeps the line alive. Nothing moves without command. Now, raw materials are ready to become Oreo. Here, precision becomes flavor.
Every gram shapes the final taste.
Texture is engineered, not guessed.
The process never pauses.
Uniformity defines every Oreo. Machines correct faster than human hands. Identity is stamped at full speed.
Nothing is wasted at this scale.
Now, heat takes control. Heat is where chemistry becomes character. Seconds define crunch and color. Water leaves, structure remains. Consistency is enforced every meter. Consistency is enforced every meter.
Even the pattern is baked in.
Cooling locks the bake in place. Patience precants breakage. Precision prepares for speed. The most iconic step comes next. Balance creates the signature center. Too warm or too cold changes everything.
Millions of perfect placements every day.
Accuracy is non-negotiable.
Timing must be exact. In one motion, an icon is made.
Uniform bite every time.
Speed without loss of control. Automation now takes the lead. At this speed, control is everything. Even motion is engineered. Cleanliness extends to every detail. Efficiency leaves nothing behind.
Uniformity defines the brand.
Every key is judged.
Only perfection moves on.
Flow is balanced before release.
Now, science confirms what machines built. Before approval, proof is required.
Random checks protect global consistency.
Every gram matters.
The center defines the experience.
Crunch tells the truth.
Shelf life begins here.
Appearance must match memory.
Only approved batches move forward. Now, the world gets its Oreos. Packaging preserves freshness and brand identity. Information travels with every Oreo.
Efficiency merges with human oversight.
Order and organization dominate the warehouse. Every pallet is ready for the journey ahead. Millions of cookies await distribution. The final step delivers satisfaction worldwide. And this is how modern factories produce Oreos from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.